Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions and securing a quick backup of search settings so you can revert if needed. Reproduce the problem exactly, type the same query, note time and app state, because replication isolates causes. Then check permissions and connectivity and glance at CPU and RAM usage to rule out performance hits. Once done, make sure you've recorded error messages and behavior. That record guides which next fix path to take. Now execute core fixes in order of least invasive to most. Clear the app cache and, if necessary, data. This removes corrupt temporary files. If the platform supports it, reset or reindex the search database so results reflect current content. Next, disable extensions or plugins and run the app in safe mode to rule out conflicts. If a configuration file was changed, restore default settings. Make sure to test the search after each step to narrow the effective solution. Finish by applying any pending updates and performing a full restart. Many search problems clear after a reboot and patches are applied. Restore user preferences selectively and test edge cases like filters, languages, and indexed folders to confirm stability. If the search still fails, collect logs, screenshots, and error codes, and escalate to support or the dev team with those artifacts. One key tip: if reindexing fails repeatedly, check disk integrity and free space before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.